Hey bro, just now I tried to send you these two, but Gmail does not allow me. That's forbidden. Let me tell you how to solve this problem. Here, Google doesn't work, but don't worry. Here, astrialcn.com, and then enter. You will get in here and find download. You can download Astral for Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android, etc. So here, Windows. And then you can download Astral for your PC. All right, Mac is here, iPhone, iPad, Android. All right, it's easy, right? Sorry, I just can't send you the app directly. But it's still the video. I hope this video can solve your problem, bro. Next time. Bye.